Do you also facing scar and hyperpigmentation?
Everyone, welcome back to my channel Mis.Medicine. When you here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Insta and Facebook.
Presenting Pilgrim Vitamin C serum. It is DIY serum, the first ever I have received. Let's make face serum together. It have 99% ethyl ascorbic acid, which is the most powerful vitamin C powder mixed with the natural vitamin C. It contains Australian kakadu plum, which is the highest natural source of vitamin C in the world. Shake it before using, and Pilgrim's 20% vitamin C serum is ready. Shake it before use. Let's apply. It is non-sticky serum. Just after one use, I feel fresh and it's very effective. See the results. My skin becomes so glowy. Buy now at discoverpilgrim.com. Must buy product because vitamin C is very good source for our skin.